So I just disconnected the module, which I've got here, so that the parking sensors just didn't work because they were just going off all the time. Now, I've had a little look, and the actual replacement sensors aren't that expensive. So you can get 4 of these, a whole set, for less than £50. So I thought, well, why not just give it a go and try and see if we can just plug in some new ones and get them to go, because I think that's the only thing that was wrong with them, was they were actually damaged. The ideal way is to take the rear bumper off, but I didn't want to do that, so I just wanted to basically prise the actual sensors out of the housings. So I didn't know, but they actually come in a 2-piece. So you get the sensor itself, and then you get the housing that it's held in by, and then you actually put the housing into the bumper. So of course I was a little bit too rough with a couple of them, and I have damaged them. You can only buy these genuine, and they're nearly as expensive as the OEM sensors themselves. So I don't think, I mean, they don't look great, but I think for the purposes of just seeing if I can get things to work, I'm going to use the old housing. You've actually got this grooved section, and on the actual sensor itself, where the plug is, you've got a raised piece, and that slots into where that groove goes. And then you've got 2 clips that connect, and it just clicks together. So I'll get them reassembled now, and I'll push them all back into the bumper, and we'll see if, when we put the module back in, we've got some working parking sensors. In here, you actually got 2 little channels at the bottom right, so like 4 o'clock and 7 o'clock, I guess. So we're going to line those up with these 2 pieces here, and then it should slot in. There we go. So we've got a full complement of parking sensors. Now we've got to get the module back in. Okay, so I didn't need this panel off in the end because they were actually just sitting there on the wheel arch. So there's my module. I've just left it there for now. I want to see if we can get things to work. Little noise that I put it in reverse. That's perfect.